Hello, if you wanna blur in a person's face in Capcut like this, then keep watching this video till the end. So let's get started. First of all, you have to import the clip that you wanna blur the person's face. So I'm gonna import another clip here. Click on the plus icon. For example, I'm gonna import this one. Now after selecting the clip, click on the add button at the bottom right corner. Now look at the bottom options. Click on FX. Now you only get 3 more options here. Select the first option, video effects. And from here go to the lens section. And now select the blur option. You can adjust the blurriness too. Just click on adjust. You can increase or decrease the blurriness. So I'm gonna increase the blurriness a little bit. Like this. And now click on the check mark. Now increase the length of the blurriness. Just click over there and drag it to the right side a little bit. Like this. Now the complete video is blurred here. Here you will see a big icon at the bottom left corner. Just click there. And now import the same clip over here. Okay. So now click on overlay. Again click on add overlay. Again import the same clip. Now it's just a recently imported clip from the starting to the end point. Just click there and drag it to the left side or right side a little bit like this. Select the recently imported clip. Now look at the bottom options and scroll left a little bit. Now click on mask. Select the circle. Now drag the circle to the person's face. Now look at the bottom left corner, here is an invert option. So just click there. Now the person's face is blurred. And now this is how you can blur in a person's face in Capcut. So if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit the like, and if you want some more this kind of valuable videos, then do subscribe the channel. And if you are watching us on Facebook, then do follow the page right now.